She chop all my money. Miriam chop all my money.
I know
Imagine.
after Miriam.
But I will come back.
Yeah?
I will come back for
Let
sure.
them get this bag.
It's too big for
Look
me.
at this.
It's
No,
too
for
big.
them.
For the woman, it's too big. It's too big. They'll fill it too much with shopping. So, let's take it.
Good morning everybody, what's up, how's tricks? Welcome to the AA Mara Lodge in the Masai Mara. Morning. So we're just going to leave for Nakuru in a few minutes with Joseph. Morning Joseph.
Oh, how are you?
How are you, sir?
Good morning. You had a good night?
Yeah.
Thanks.
So Joseph, how long do you think the journey will take? 4 hours?
Yeah. 4.5 hours from here to Nakuru.
Okay.
Then we have an hour to go to the equator. We have lunch at the equator.
Okay.
From Nakuru, 3 hours to Nairobi.
Okay.
So basically, that is the projection.
So we're back on the bumpy road for about an hour and a half or 2 hours. So we're just awake, so it'll wake us up.
Jack.
How's it? We are on our second stop. 4.5 hours done. Is this Egerton?
Egerton, yeah.
We're in Egerton. Nakuru is an hour away. And what we're going to do is go and get into Nakuru, and then we're going past Nakuru up to the equator, which is a half an hour the far side of Nakuru. How many times have I said Nakuru? So yeah, we're going to go to the equator, we're going to eat, and then we're going to come back down to Nakuru and go into a game park, and we will drive 3 hours? 3 hours back down to Nairobi. He'll break at some point.
I sense that coming.
Yeah. Okay guys, so that sign has a line under it, and that line is the equator. We're going to Eaton Pier, which is close to there. Thank you, Joseph.
Welcome.
We have the same as yesterday. Kate just said it's great, there's no Chinese people, there was no one here. And there's one van of them, two vans of them. You did!
And then I finished it.
3 vans of them. Hello. It doesn't look Chinese with a helmet, but it's going to be surrounded by them in a few minutes. A body.
Give me a gift. Thank you very much. You're going to give me a gift.
You buy and then I give you a gift.
Ah.
If you promote me, I will give you a gift.
Oh, right.
My name is Naomi.
My name is Anthony.
Yeah.
May was in the Bible.
Yes.
She was a very good woman. I'm looking for TLC.
What's the meaning?
Tender, loving, care.
You will get somebody.
Oh look, there's Jambo Kenya. Yeah.
So it runs this way. So are we in the northern?
We're in still southern now.
We're in the southern hemisphere.
I'll go that side and see half an hour.
Good channels. I'm a YouTuber. You're welcome. Tom just took some pictures for us. Tom works with who did you say? I forget who he says he works for. He took enough pictures anyway, in fairness. Just my kind of style. He took angles and everything.
Give me change. I don't have exact change.
This is my
Oh, I
Can you put that inside the boat, you know?
Yeah, we will wait for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're welcome again.
Chop all my money. Miriam, chop all my money.
I know
Imagine.
after Miriam.
But I will come back.
Yeah?
I will come back for
Let
sure.
them get this bag.
It's too big for
Look
me.
at this.
It's
No,
too
for
big.
them.
For the woman, it's too big. It's too big. They'll fill it too much with shopping. So,
They will fill it too much with shopping.
the north and the south. I know, yeah.
They chop all your money. My uncle is the one with money.
Yeah, okay, we can go there.
So let's see what everyone got.
You might be able to see if
Of
we
course.
do this. Will that
You
work?
can't see what I bought.
Wait, what side is
Wait,
it?
I'll change it. This
There you
is,
go.
well, let me fix
It is there.
Ooh.
Oh,
It's a little drum keyring.
yeah.
So William actually bought it, but he gave it to me.
Shots, my bro.
So keyring, so show me the cool thing. Yeah, but
Show
look
off
at
your cautions. Yeah, hang.
That's sick. So now we're going back into Nakuru to the park, which is about 45 minutes away.
Jeez, Kenyan prison service.
Cool.
Look at that.
We have reached Nakuru National Park. We are driving straight through it, so we're not like going in, doing a circle, come back. We're going one way, in one side, out the other side, over the far side, down the middle side. So we're allowed to get out. Where the lines are, look at the flamingos. And you know me now, risk it for the shot.
time. Yeah, we had a really good time. I might see you.
Airplane. Okay, my bruise. What's up, guys? Come here, Kate. We are
Finished after
finished.
13 hours of driving.
So we're back in the formation house in Nairobi, about to go to our house. Something has gone wrong with something regarding the vlogs, but I can't really say it.
With the editing
The editing
software.
program, yeah, it won't work. So
Anything really tomorrow. Tomorrow's a chill day.
get your fucking greasy face off. Because of all the hard traveling and stuff, and because I have a lot to fix in my life at the minute, I mightn't go anywhere tomorrow. We all mightn't go anywhere tomorrow. So it could be a day for, well, it is going to be a day for me anyway of fixing. What else I was going to say? Was something about tomorrow? Oh yeah, I probably won't vlog tomorrow because it'll be me sitting around fixing it. Won't be that entertaining for you. So, that's that.
That is that.
That's all the hard driving done. You dirty
Like, I feel like
coniferous.
we're-
Thoughts on safari weekend?
Fucking hell, I don't know.
Thanks, you're very. The vlog will love you. Give me your thoughts, Aisha. William, thoughts, what do you think?
I can't put it into words. It's just something you have to experience for yourself.
Gay. Sick.
Sick. What are you thinking, Joe?
I'm alright. Safari was brilliant, no? To be fair.
To be fair, it was.
You didn't eat much veg, so.
Okay, guys, I will leave it there. I will see you tomorrow. Oh no, I won't because you're not here. But I will. I'm done. I don't think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I'll see. Leave me alone.
Maybe we didn't get to see it.
In the meantime,
We just had such a good view when they were walking across.
don't do anything crazy. Like me.
Like,
Much luck, it's fate. I will chat to you guys tomorrow. Okay, you've clicked once. Here we go. Click twice. My hand's full.
1, 2, 3.